Hello and welcome guys. Today we've got a short instructional video on how to deposit on Mandala using Binance and basically depositing through crypto. As you know, on Mandala it is currently not possible to use a debit or credit card to deposit your money on the exchange, but it is coming soon in Q2 of 2021, which is what we are in now. It is going to be possible to deposit using a credit and a debit card, which is going to make it much easier for new people to deposit on the website, and therefore it's going to increase the amount of users we have and potentially increase the price of the Mandala token. As you can see, the market today is down a lot. Binance is down to $230, which it used to be $680 last week. So it is a great time to buy on those dips. That's what I'm going to be doing. And as I'm doing it, I'm going to explain the process and then tell you how you can buy MDXT, the Mandala token, for yourself. I'm going to be putting in another like $500 to it. So as I have mentioned, we're going to be using the Binance website. Every single website I'm going to be using in this video is going to be linked down in the description. And you have to register on Binance and Mandala to obviously deposit on there. So as you have logged in on Binance, in the top left you can choose your preferred method to buy crypto. For me, it's going to be the debit or credit card. I have pre-recorded this video and a screen like that is going to pop up. You have to enter your amount in USD and then change the crypto that you want to purchase. In order to buy Mandala token, it is going to be easiest if you decide to go with USDT, as it is the pair that MDXT is trading for. So remember to change the crypto that you want to purchase, and once you have done and filled out those boxes, press continue. I'm not going to do that as I already have deposited on my Binance account, but basically if you continue, you have to enter your code from the phone and from the email, and then you can proceed through. In the top right in your wallet section, you can see if the deposit has went through. You can see that I have around $500 in my wallet currently, and if you press on the cryptocurrency that it's showing, it's gonna take you to that cryptocurrency contract. Yep, right here we can see that I have $511 in USDT, and if you want to put that on your Mandala exchange, you have to press on the withdraw option right next to the cryptocurrency that you have purchased. Once you press the withdraw button, it's gonna come up and asking for your address. The address you can find on your Mandala accounts page. In the top right section of the Mandala Exchange, you can see the wallet. Just hover over the wallet section and you can press deposit on there. Once you have pressed deposit, you have to choose the coin that you want to deposit. For us, it's gonna be the USDT. And then we have to select the BSC network. It's probably the easiest one to deposit with, to be honest. Just copy the address, press the button to copy the address, go back to your Binance website and paste it over there. And it's gonna show up with the network BSC. That's the one that you want to choose. You can see the fees right here. Now, I don't know why it's so expensive to send Ethereum right now, but it's showing a network fee of $30. But with the BSC network, it is only showing 80 cents as the fee. So you definitely want to go with that one. Just make sure you select it on Mandala as well as on Binance, so they are matching and your coins are not lost on the way through. Once you have selected the BSC network, just enter the amount of coins that you want to send and then press on withdraw. Then it's gonna ask you for your phone and your email code. Just press on the right side of the bar, you can see click to get code. Click both of those, enter the code that you have been sent, and once that is all finished, you can see that the withdrawal has been successful and you have withdrawn $511 from Binance, paying a fee of 80 cents. Then you go to your Mandala website, and in the deposit section you can see your recent deposit history. Just refresh that a couple of times. It's gonna take like a minute or two for it to show up, but no worries, it will definitely show up in your deposit section. So the deposit has gone through. You can see that it is in progress. It's gonna take another minute or two to confirm the deposit, and then it's gonna say success, and then you can change and buy your MDXT token with the money that you have just deposited. As you can see, I keep refreshing the wallet to see if it has actually gone through. You can also check the deposit status by going to the top right section and choosing deposit and withdrawal history. As you can see, the USDT has gone through, and now we have $510 worth of USDT, and as you can see, I have some MDXT tokens as well. Then you want to go to the top left and choose markets. We want to select Mandala, MDXT, trading with USDT. It is at a pretty low point right now. You can see it is trading at 11 cents currently, and we want to go to the exchange section and choose limit. If you are choosing the limit option, basically you can put in the price that you want your order to be executed at. If you choose 11 cents, it's gonna execute once the price drops down to 11 cents. If you put in a lower amount, your order is not gonna be fulfilled immediately. It's gonna be fulfilled at the price that you enter. So if I choose, as you can see, 10 or 11 cents, it's only gonna be executed once the price drops down all the way to 10 cents. Now I obviously don't want to do that because I'm not sure of the price what it's gonna do. I want to buy at the price that it is currently, so I'm gonna choose the market option. Market option executes at the price that it is currently sitting at, so about 11.5 cents. That's what it's gonna execute my order at. I select 100%. All of my dollars are gonna go into MDXT. You have seen on the top right it showed success. You go back to my wallet and it has been executed. About 5,000 MDXT has been added to my wallet, and all of the USDT is gone. So that has been a pretty short, hopefully a helpful instructional video on how you can deposit cryptocurrency on Mandala Exchange through Binance. If you have enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for the YouTube algorithm. If you have any other ideas or suggestions, leave them down in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one.